hindi ko in-expect na gagamitin mo tong event namin para magkalat ng chismis.
Pinilit lang ako ng isang reporter para tanungin yung mga tanong na yun.
Sino?
Troy Sebastian.
Troy, dapat tutulungan mo lang ako mahanap kung sino yung batang kasama ko, di ba? Bakit ganito yung nangyari?
I just want people to know the truth.
Troy!
I'm here. So wala kang kasalanan, okay? Kimberly Liwanag, can you give me the privilege of being my girlfriend?
Sabi po, wala ka ba kasing balak sabihin kay Kim?
Sorry pero it seems to me na hindi lang si Sek Kim ang affected ng trauma. Parehas kayo eh.
Secretary Kim, I didn't come here to apologize. I came here to ask you out on a date.
Sir Cyrus, hindi na po kasi pwede.
Brandon.
Where are you going? Stay here.
Sa opisina tayo. Ano ba? Ano to?
They're my anxiety meds.
Anxiety? Bakit hindi ko alam to? Nagpa-check up ka ba sa doktor? Prescribe ba to?
Don't worry about it. Just took some dahil stressful yung dealings with the Park family.
May hindi po ba kayo sinasabi sa akin?
Nothing. Why?
Kasi antidepressant to. Tapos kapag naiisip ko pa yung mga peklat sa paa.
Iniisip mo pa ulit na ako si Ninja Boy. Is that the reason kung bakit mo ako sinagot?
No for both questions. Sinagot kita kasi mahal kita. Hindi na importante sa akin kung sino si Ninja Boy. Tsaka napamain na rin ako kay Vice Charming.
Okay. Please don't say that again dahil ako yung nahihiya para sa'yo.
Copy po, Vice Charming.
Fine. But you're having lunch with me. I just have to go somewhere. But don't worry. I'll be back right in time for our lunch, okay?
Okay, see you later, Vice Charming.
Really? Legal action? I'm supposed to be threatened by this? Look, I hate to burst your bubble, sir, ma'am, with all due respect, but unlike my colleagues, I'm just not the type to get bullied.
No. Actually, I came here to tell you the truth. I'd rather you hear it from me kaysa sa ibang tao. After all, this is about my son. Hindi ba?
Well, it's not just about your son. Si Kimberly Liwanag kasama rin.
Let's leave Secretary Kim out of this. We all know why you chose the story at hindi dahil naaawa ka kay Secretary Kim.
Robert, akala ko ba pumunta tayo dito para patahimikin siya?
He will. What do you think? I give you an interview and you leave my family alone.
Robert, we can't trust him. Malay ba natin kung anong gagawin niya sa interview mo? What if he twists your words?
Fine. One interview. And I'll leave your family alone.
Where do you want to start?
Sir, ang ganda po ni Miss Laura ngayon, ha?
Mahina ka pa ba dyan?
Ay, hindi po sir. Kakadating ko lang po. Dala ko lang po to galing Finance for Mancom Review.